Have you ever been to an astrologer or a panditji sitting in the temple to match the horoscope of the boy and the girl? What did the panditji do? I think he must have matched the gun, and if more than 20 guns matched, he must have said yes for the marriage. But let me tell you one thing, this is an absolutely useless activity. Hi, my name is Alka. I'm an astrologer and energy and frequency healer. If you also want to really match the horoscope of the boy and the girl for marriage purpose, mere gun milan is not sufficient. Because matchmaking is much more than gun milan. You know why? There are so many other things which we need to find out to ensure that the boy and the girl will have a happy married life. First of all, we need to check whether they will have intellectual and mental compatibility. Will there be emotional understanding between the two of them? Will they have physical attraction for each other? Let me tell you, this is a very important aspect for a happy married life. We also need to see that will there be ego issues between them? Will these ego issues be resolved, or will they take any serious shape? Will they have any kind of disputes in the starting time of their marriage, the first few months of their marriage? Because to lead a happy married life and to develop an understanding, the first few months of married life are very important. So if you also want to find out the right person for your life, the right life partner, go for a proper matchmaking. Get in touch with us and we'll tell you how it best can be matched. And yes, one thing more. Whenever you fix up a date for the marriage, if the 6th, 8th and 12th house of the boy and the girl, which we normally term as negative houses or trik bhav, are activated, there's a large possibility that there will be misunderstandings, disputes, difference of opinion between both of them, which can even lead to a separation. So let us make sure that we match the kundli in a proper way so that the boy and the girl can lead a happy married life. Thank you.